Imagine making the most delicious fresh msemen, just to shred it into pieces, and then making a sauce that has a lot of lentils, a lot of onions, and then almost an illegal amount of garlic and fenugreek. It sounds crazy, but once you put it all together, you got one of Morocco's most comforting dishes, Rfissa. We start with the whole chicken in the pressure cooker, a pressure cooker that is older than me and unlike me still works perfectly. Then comes a big spoon of smen, a generous amount of olive oil, and a little bit of vegetable oil. Next come the spices, salt, black pepper, cumin, turmeric, and a serious amount of hanout. After that, the onions go in. Then come the lentils, which she soaked together with fenugreek. Now, fenugreek is what makes Rfissa Rfissa. The smell is strong, very strong. I mean, so strong that you need to go to the hammam afterward. And then comes the garlic. A lot of garlic. Just so you know, the hammam is not optional anymore. Everything gets covered with water and the pressure cooker goes on. Now we make fresh msemen. Flour, semolina, salt, and water. At Grandma's house, the dough is kneaded by hand, the same way she's done it for years. Today it's really hot outside, so the dough barely needs to rest. She cuts it into small balls, flattens them, stretches them, folds them. Every now and then she checks the pot, but no timer, no thermometer, but a lot of experience. A little oil. Now the msemen goes onto the hot pan, flip after flip, until the layers become golden and slightly crisp. Fresh msemen like this is already incredible. Normally, you would eat it hot with honey or butter, but for Rfissa, we do something slightly tragic. We cut it into thin stripes, almost like pasta. Beautiful fresh msemen, completely destroyed. They go straight into the steamer, which makes them soft, warm, and ready to absorb all that sauce. Grandmother is still working on the sauce, letting it reduce, tasting it, and adjusting the spices until it feels right. Here she's adding a little bit of black pepper, and finally, everything comes together. A big Moroccan Gsaa, first the steamed msemen, then the chicken in the middle, then the lentils, and finally the sauce. Lots of sauce. My grandmother presses the msemen down so that it could soak up every drop. And that's Rfissa. I love it, but it always tastes better when my grandmother makes it.